Medical, transportation, entertainment, you name it. Apps and software have become an integral part of our everyday lives. Making a piece of software is not a deterministic process. Actually, in some sense, it's kind of art. It needs to be usable, it needs to be understandable, and you want people to just take your piece of software, get immersed into it in your app, and understand it immediately. If you want to write a piece of software, your computer needs to have very clear instructions on how it's supposed to work. And in the end, your iPhone, your Apple Watch or your iPad is nothing else than a computer. This class is going to be about programming for Apple devices. So for example, for your iPhone, for your iPad or for your Apple Watch. You're going to learn all of this using the Swift programming language and the basics of UIKit. Being able to write apps, but more generally also writing software, is going to enable you, even in your everyday life, to think more logically, and it's going to allow you to very clearly put what you're trying to do on a page. It's a really good way of thinking, and even if after this course you never write an app again, I promise that you will take something away from it. This is not just a programming course. I'm going to try to teach you the basics of agile software engineering, a state-of-the-art industry technique to build software. And we're going to do this because I want you to be able to not just build any app, but the actual right app for your customer. You're going to very clearly notice what things you are just assuming to be part of the solution and what things are clearly the problem, so that you can separate and you can draw the line and carefully question if what you're building is the right product. These days, your phone can do almost everything. It's your Swiss Army knife for getting all of your everyday tasks done. And if you think about products in general, these days so many products have some sort of digital component, some sort of software that needs to be written by someone. And especially you, as possibly future entrepreneurs, you should care about the software, you should be able to understand it, and you should be able to contribute to it and maybe even write it yourself. If you want to build your future business on a solid digital foundation, then you should understand how to create software, and you should understand how to create apps that are nice and usable for your customers. And this course is going to be a great point to start for you. By the end of this course, you're not going to know everything about iOS or Swift programming, not even close. But I'm going to teach you the basics, and I hope that it's going to pique your interest and really want you to continue in future courses to dive deeper into iOS and Swift development as such. I'm Florian Budli. I spent quite a few years teaching Swift and iOS development to hundreds of students here in Munich at the Technical University. I taught them Swift programming from scratch and also how to develop software in actual industry settings. All in all, I'm really looking forward to seeing you guys in this course soon. I hope I was able to pique your interest, and let's learn together how to develop apps for Swift all the way from scratch.